The topic is the story that we have chosen for this week is The Fox and the Crane. I'm going to explain you that how you can kind of create the visuals also for your children. Okay, because sometimes what happens is we don't get the exact visuals through Google. So what we can do is we can try to open a video. Okay, we can try to open a video, we can show a video to the child, and the video that we like and which we feel okay according to our requirements, the pictures are clear, bright and easy to understand for the child. Okay, so that's video you're going to decide. So for example, I have chosen this Joyful Jellin. I usually use this YouTube channel to for my online students also. So this is the story. Okay, so what we are going to do is, so for example, I'm going to explain you that how you can create resources, the visuals basically. So this is the title I'm going to take. I'm going to take a screenshot of this, okay, and then I'm going to open a PowerPoint presentation and I'm going to paste the picture, okay, and then I'm going to resize, okay, make it maybe smaller. This is the thing that I have created, okay. Now, secondly, again, so I'm going to play. So I am going to decide the visuals according to the sentences that I want. Okay. So for example, this is the sentence I want to teach. Okay. So once there was a fox and a crane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take the visual of, this screenshot and then paste it like this, resize it. Okay. And then put it this way. Okay, so now I don't want these extra information, okay, these extra pictures, just the to the point pictures. Okay, now I don't want this picture. Okay, now this is the main picture that I want. I'm just showing you for one video so that you get an idea how you can prepare the flashcards or the visuals for stories. Okay, so now this is the scene that I want. Okay, so I'm going to take the screenshot of this particular scene, okay, where the fox served soup to the crane in the flat plate. Okay, so I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to take this picture. Okay, so this is how I'm going to take all the scenes, the main scene pictures. Now, this is done. Now I want the visuals for the second part. I'm just skipping this. Now this is the next scene that I want. Okay, I'm skipping all that is there in the middle of the story, and I'm just pasting this, and I am making this also. This is again a main scene. Okay, so this is a very short version. Okay, if you want to, for some kids, you'll have to feed very limited version of sentences. You can't be very elaborative with some of the kids. So that is what I am explaining you. So for example, I want to explain this scene also. I want to show this scene also. So I will take the picture, I will take the screenshot and then paste it. Okay, so now what I've done is, because I also want to do not waste the pages also, the printer pages, so I have just taken these 5 pictures. Okay, and I'm going to just take the print out. Okay, so I'm going to click and then I'm going to take the print out.